Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unlock the secrets of corporate filings, and today NOVAVAX is serving up some quarterly results. Looks like they're not so much announcing success as they are. Well, let's just say it's going to be an interesting dive. If you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we break down these reports further if you want to join the conversation. We're looking at NOVAVAX's Form 8K, which is basically a report of major events. The big news here is the release of their financial results for the second quarter ending June 30, 2025. Think of this report as the company's way of telling the public what happened financially in the last 3 months, with a focus on how they're doing at a glance. The core of this filing is about their performance. Companies like NOVAVAX put out these reports to keep investors and the public informed, and today we're digging into what they've shared about their second quarter. Investors are always watching these to see if the company is growing, making money, and managing its operations effectively. Alright, let's get to the meat of the matter, the actual financial results. NOVAVAX is letting us know how they performed financially in the most recent quarter. This is crucial information because it tells us about the company's ability to generate revenue and manage its expenses. It's the bottom line that really matters to shareholders and anyone wanting to understand the company's health. The company has detailed its second quarter performance in a press release. You could think of this as their official announcement to the world about how the quarter went. This document is the source for all the key financial numbers and any explanations management might offer about their performance. We're going to focus on what these numbers mean for the business. Now, NOVAVAX's stock is traded on the Nasdaq Global Select Market, which is a major stock exchange. This means it's a publicly traded company and therefore it has to follow strict reporting rules like this one. The fact that their common stock is registered here means a lot of people are invested in their performance and are watching these filings closely. The ticker symbol for their stock is NVAX. This section is essentially the appendix of the report, listing all the supporting documents. What's most important here for us is the press release containing the financial results, which we've already touched upon. It's like the official receipt for the financial information they're sharing. You'll also see a mention of an inline XBRL file. This is a modern way of presenting financial data that makes it easier for computers to read and analyze. It's designed to make financial information more accessible and transparent, allowing for faster and more efficient data processing. It's a good sign that the company is embracing newer technologies for reporting. Finally, we have the signature block. This is the formal sign-off from a company executive confirming that the information provided is accurate to the best of their knowledge. In this case, it's from Mark J. Casey, who holds a rather important title, Executive Vice President, Chief Legal Officer, and Corporate Secretary. Looking at NOVAVAX's second quarter results, it's clear they are navigating a challenging period. While the specific numbers from the attached press release aren't detailed in this particular 8K filing itself, the very act of filing this report signifies they've released their financial performance for the quarter. Companies typically do this to inform investors about revenue, profits or losses, and their overall financial health. Without the actual numbers from the press release here, it's hard to give a deep dive into their financial table performance like we usually do. However, we know that for a company like NOVAVAX, which operates in the highly competitive and research-intensive biotechnology sector, keeping a close eye on their cash flow, research and development spending, and revenue generation from their vaccines is paramount. Any significant changes in these areas can dramatically impact their stock price and future prospects. Typically in these filings, we'd look for revenue growth or decline, how much money they spent on developing new products, and whether they are profitable. For NOVAVAX, the story is often about the success or challenges with their vaccine pipeline and commercialization efforts. We'd be looking for signs of strong sales, efficient cost management. To wrap things up, NOVAVAX has officially filed its report detailing its second quarter financial performance. While this 8K is more of an announcement of the release of those results, the underlying financial health is what truly matters. For NOVAVAX, this means evaluating their ability to generate revenue from their products, manage their substantial research and development costs, and stay competitive in the vaccine market. Investors are always looking for signs of growth and profitability, and any company in this sector faces risks related to clinical trial outcomes, regulatory approvals, and market demand. Alright, that's a quick look at this NOVAVAX filing. What's your take on what NOVAVAX might be reporting for their quarter and what that means for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.